Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Today my group will be doing a drama about Cinderella. We modified it a little and our characters are part of it. My character is the prince. This Peril is the brother. Whatever. Nurifa is the stepmother. Farhan is the narrator. Rama is also the brother. Maya is the witch. And Kailila is the Cinderella. Please enjoy our drama.
In a small hut lived a girl named Sheila. She lives with her two older brothers under the care of their stepmother. One day, news came that a ball they had at the terrace. Hearing this, Cinderella wished to attend.
I wish I could go to the royal ball.
However, she was aware of her situation. She felt unworthy to attend because she was poor and did not have a forever home. She decided to discuss with her stepmother and two older brothers.
I think if I discuss this with my mother and brothers, they will allow me to go.
She entered the house during dinner time, the perfect moment for Cinderella to bring it up. Cinderella sat on a chair at the dining table. Her two older brother and her stepmother were already there. Cinderella began to speak.
Mother, brothers, I want to attend the ball. The prince is hosting at his palace, and I want to go.
I don't think you should attend the party because I heard from people that the prince is stupid and he has no ability. Yes, she is right.
I agree with you, brother. That boy is not worth your time. Pivotal, and is never good.
However, the response from her stepmother and two older brothers was not what Cinderella had expected. They refused because they often heard bad rumor about the prince. People said that the prince was foolish and clueless. Hearing that, Cinderella felt that and to run out of the house. At that moment, she encountered a witch. The witch approached Cinderella and asked,
Hey little girl, do you want to enter the ball at the prince's palace? Oh, I do, but my appearance isn't suitable, and my mother and brothers won't allow me to go. Ha ha ha, I can make you beautiful in an instant. But this magic will disappear exactly at midnight. Also, your stepmother or your two older brothers will never be able to recognize you. I understand. I agree to your offer. Magical spell, make this girl dancingly beautiful.
in an instant, the witch waved her wand, and Cinderella transformed into a stunningly beautiful figure. Overjoyed, Cinderella hurried to the carriage, as it was already 10 p.m.
Oh my goodness, is this really me? Thank you so much. I feel so beautiful. Oh no, it's already 10 p.m. I have to go now. Thank you again for everything.
When she arrived at the palace, she was greeted by a prince. The moment he saw her, the prince was immediately captivated and invited Cinderella to dance.
Welcome to my home. May I have the honor of this dance?
It will be my pleasure, Your Highness.
Before she realized it, the clock was nearing midnight. Cinderella panicked and quickly ran out of the palace.
I'm sorry, but I really must go.
Wait, why are you leaving so soon?
As she was descending, the stair her ID card fell, but she didn't have time to pick it up because she didn't want the prince to see her original home. Cinderella immediately ran back home. The prince chased after Cinderella, but all he found was an ID card that she had left behind. The prince examined the card and discovered Cinderella's dress. He decided to search for her the next day.
Cinderella. I must find her.
The next day, the prince arrived at Cinderella's house and was surprised by its humble condition. He knocked on the door, which then opened, and the prince met Cinderella to older brother. You're the prince, right? What's the purpose of you coming here?
Is Cinderella here? She dropped this at the ball yesterday.
What? Cinderella went to the ball without telling us?
Yes, Cinderella was at the ball, and we shared the dance. I believe she is very special. I have come to return her ID and to marry her.
No, I will not wish you to marry my stepsister.
Why not? It's not every day that a prince proposed to a commoner.
Why are you still trying to seduce us? You've already said that we don't approve of it.
Then what must I do to win your approval? Please, I'll do anything.
Then, wait a minute. Well, think about it for a moment. Okay, but what if we give you a challenge? If you win, you can marry Cinderella. But if you lose, you can marry her.
I accept your challenge. What must I do?
Suddenly, a soft woman's laugh was heard. It was the witch who had returned. The witch then said,
Ha ha ha. What if I'm the one to set the challenge? Cinderella's two older brothers. You must compete against the prince. I challenge the three of you to a trivia quiz. There we'll see who is more deserving to protect and accompany Cinderella in the future.
I agree to the challenge. Let's begin.
the witch then outlined the terms that must be followed during the trivia contest.
Alright, I will explain the rules for this activity. 1. I will present 4 questions. You must compete to answer the question I read out. 2. Whoever raises their hand the fastest and answer correctly will earn 1 point. 3. Whoever earns the most points will be the winner and will have the right to marry Cinderella. Now, let's begin with the first question. What ancient Chinese military treatise is considered one of the most influential texts on war strategy, often attributed to Sun Tzu?
Sun Tzu, The Art of War.
Yes, that's correct. Now, for the second question. During World War II, what was the codename for Allied invasion of Normandy, which marked a pivotal turn in the war?
Operation Overlord.
1 point for Cinderella's older brother. Now for the third question. What caused the Americans to lose the Vietnam War?
The Vietnamese tactic of guerrilla warfare and lack of public support.
Wow, 2 points for the prince. And now the final question. What is the largest country in the world by land area?
The Soviet Union.
Ha ha ha, another point for the prince. Congratulations, prince. You scored the most points. You have the right to marry Cinderella.
I hope I've proven myself worthy.
Alright, we admit defeat. We give you our permission to marry Cinderella.
Thank you for your blessing. I promise to make Cinderella happy.
The next day, Cinderella and the prince married happily. The end.
everyone except for me. I'm fucked. But if I could just live in an anime hits, I could become Son Goku, be an optimist. So hey, okay, I'll isekai myself. Find a truck or in a pinch, a smart ass driving a Tesla is fine. They all say go take your meds, so I'll take them all today. On the other side, I'm sure that I'll find an ugly bastard who smells like a cheese rind, or a demon lord with bitches and hordes. But we'll just find a road and try it again once more. Not afraid of traffic violations, are ya? Yes, it's a woman moment. Cut me some slack, 'cause you're all lucky that locking you up in my basement's a crime. How unfair in anime if a girl threatens to end your bloodline. Men all say, where do I sign? So I'll give isekai a try. Let's do a Congo